Armyworms are fascinating creatures that belong to the order Lepidoptera and the family Noctuidae. Here are some amazing facts about armyworms. Life cycle: armyworms undergo a complete metamorphosis, just like other butterflies and moths. They go through 4 main stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult. The duration of their life cycle varies depending on environmental conditions and species. Mass migration: armyworms are known for their mass migration behavior. They can travel in large numbers, forming massive swarms that can be several kilometers long. These swarms move together, devouring crops and vegetation in their path. Feeding habits: armyworm caterpillars are voracious feeders and can consume a significant amount of vegetation in a short period. They primarily feed on grasses, cereal crops, and other plants. Their feeding behavior can lead to extensive damage to agricultural fields and pastures. Social behavior: armyworms exhibit social behavior, especially during their larval stage. They move together in large groups, creating the appearance of an army marching across the landscape, hence their name. Their synchronized movement helps them overwhelm and consume vegetation more efficiently. Nocturnal activity: armyworms are primarily nocturnal creatures, being most active during the night. They tend to hide in vegetation during the day to avoid predation and extreme temperatures. This behavior allows them to conserve energy and protect themselves. Pheromone communication: armyworms use chemical signals called pheromones to communicate with each other. Female armyworm moths release pheromones to attract males for mating. This chemical communication helps them find and mate with suitable partners. Global distribution: armyworms are found in various parts of the world, including Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Europe. Different species of armyworms have adapted to different climates and habitats, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments. Economic impact: armyworm infestations can cause significant economic losses in agriculture. When a swarm of armyworms attacks crops, it can lead to reduced yields or complete destruction of fields, affecting food production and livelihoods. Natural predators: armyworms have several natural predators that help control their populations. Birds, bats, insects, such as parasitic wasps and flies. And even some spiders feed on armyworms. These natural enemies play a vital role in keeping armyworm populations in check. Pest management: effective pest management strategies, including the use of biological controls, pesticides, and cultural practices, are employed to combat armyworm outbreaks. Integrated pest management techniques are often implemented to minimize the damage caused by these pests while minimizing the impact on the environment. It's important to note that there are several species of armyworms, and specific characteristics may vary among them.